Alright, I picked up this 2021 Corolla SE a little bit ago. Installed the K&N intake last week. Getting some requests on see how loud or quiet it is. It's really not bad. I'll start off doing with like a half throttle. Adds a nice sound, not obnoxious. Some intakes are just too loud all the time and it just sounds good. Do a full throttle pull here. It's a little slippery, so I'll kind of feather it till I get traction here. Here's wide open. So yeah, it definitely makes it a lot more fun and sounds a lot better. One of the better intakes, I guess. I usually do AFE. AFE usually has a really good intake, but they don't have one available yet for this car. This version of the K&N I like because it is kind of a cold air. It still uses the stock cold air tube from the factory one. So it's not just a hot air intake sucking in air. You're actually still getting the same air directed in as the factory intake. So